So we don't do this on every page, but because you read this article related to Divi customization, we wanted to make sure you knew about our Divi Builder layout memberships before you left. So we're gonna walk you through real quick, if you're interested, in what that looks like. So you can see here we've got access to expanding library of layouts, and we are custom designing all of our layouts for you. So you can go to the link below and it's going to take you directly into this page where you can explore the layouts we've got. We've got landing pages, we've got full layouts, and we've got individual modules as well. And this is perfect for anybody who's in a design agency or is doing a side hustle where you're building websites for friends, family, or clients. And there's a few reasons you should join. Number one is efficiency. This helps speed up the process. Number two is value. The library is going to continue to grow. Every week, we're going to put out new layouts, whether it's a module or a full layout pack. It's native design, so everything's built into Divi. It means it's quick, it's going to scale, and hopefully it won't get broken by Divi, but if it does, you can guarantee we're going to update things. And it's also simplicity. You've got one-click imports either through the Divi library or directly just dragging the file into the Visual Builder. It's huge, it's amazing, and it's very, very affordable. So for $5 a month right now, you can jump in and get limited time access. Now this is very limited time, so take advantage of this where it's $5 a month, $50 annually, which gives you 2 free months, or you can go ahead and take the leap and get access to everything that we put out in the future for $99 now. You will be a member for life. So thank you for reading our blog. Thank you for loving Divi as much as we do, and we hope that you'll check out our memberships and join the journey.